Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day number 12. I am in my kitchen again because today I'm hanging out with my friends. So I'm making some vegetable spring rolls that I got from Costco. And then I also made some baked chicken. So this is it. I cooked this earlier. The chicken wings came from Costco too. This will be a short Vlogmas day, ultimately, because I just don't have as much to talk about, but I'm excited about people coming over to hang out. So I'll just give you guys a little bit of that, and I won't stress you because I can imagine this is not what you want to do with your Friday the 13th. So yeah, this is Vlogmas day number 12 for me. It would be Vlogmas day number 13, obviously, if I started at 1, but I did not. So I started at 2. So this is my number 12. Happy Friday the 13th. I'm just going to drop these into hot water and wait for my friends to show up because that's it. So I decided I'm also going to make these pupusas that I got from Costco. So it says it's beef and mozzarella cheese. It says 3 minutes in the microwave. I can't do it in the microwave. So how do you do it in the oven? Ha ha ha. Stovetop. Ooh. Non-stick. Oil. I can do this. We're gonna make these and we're gonna eat them right now. Okay, I'm turning the stove on. The directions say preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Remove the desired number of pupusas from packaging. Add 1 teaspoon of oil per pupusa. So 3 teaspoons. Place the pupusas in skillet. Heat for 4 to 6 minutes. Flipping every 2 minutes. That's not hard. I can do this. So I'm assuming there's 3 in this package. No, there's way more than 3. Okay. Well, we really only need 3. Yeah, there's 6. 5. Okay. So let's do, we're only gonna do 3 because 1, 2, 3. 3 teaspoons of oil. So we're gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna do 3 pupusas only. And it says you can serve them with avocado. Well, they're saying serve with guacamole. I don't have any guacamole. I don't have the ingredients to make fresh guacamole, but I always have sour cream because I love it. So I think I can use some sour cream, and I also have some salsa. So that's what we're gonna have with ours. Sour cream and salsa. So I'm letting this oil heat up. And we're only gonna make 3 pupusas because this is gonna turn out. We're gonna put them on a plate and it's gonna look beautiful and amazing. Be like, oh my gosh, these are the best pupusas I've ever had in my whole life. Probably not that far. That's probably going a little bit far. That's actually most likely not gonna be what it said. But give it a minute. Oh, while we're doing that, we can heat up some water. So I'm not actually gonna heat up the water. I'm just gonna use hot water for the 3 packets that go with our vegetable spring rolls. These are just sitting in hot water from the faucet, which I think is sufficient. It doesn't need to be hot. It just needs to not be cold. Oops, I got a little water in the pan. Well, at least we don't know it's hot. So I'm gonna put 3. Well, I don't have space for 3. So let's start with 2. Well, no, I have space for 3. Should I do 3 of these or just 2? Maybe 2. Hello? It doesn't matter. I just don't have ice.